Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 39. Which of the following is a drupe? A. Mango. B. Orange. C. Pawpaw. D. Pineapple. E. Tomato. So we are asked for an option that is a fruit which is classified as a drupe. Now, a drupe is a true simple fruit with a well-developed pericarp. Now, a drupe has its epicarp to be thin and forms the skin. Its mesocarp is fleshy or fibrous. And then its endocarp is usually hard and woody. And encloses seed Now, from this description of a drupe, you agree with me that mango here is a drupe, because if you look at the characteristics of a drupe, its epicarp is thin and forms the skin. So also the epicarp of mango forms the skin and is also thin. Now the mesocarp is fleshy or fibrous. The mesocarp of mango is actually fleshy. And then the endocarp is hard and woody and encloses the seed, and that is correct for mango. Very correct. So a mango is a drupe. Now option B here says orange. Now orange is not a drupe. Orange is a hesperidium. We call it hesperidium. Pawpaw and tomatoes are not drupe also. They are berry. And then pineapple is a sorosis. Is not a drupe. But the only drupe here is mango, because it has a well-developed pericarp in which the epicarp is thin and forms the skin. Its mesocarp is fleshy and its endocarp is hard and woody. Another example of a drupe is the coconut. Coconut is another example of a drupe. So the answer to this question is option A, mango. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and for more past questions.